This gentle yoga stretch will wake up your body, improve flexibility, and set a good tone for the start of your day. So meet me in an upright seated position. Bring the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Close your eyes. Set the intention for what it is you want to feel and experience through the practice and for the rest of your day. Inhale your hands high up to the heavens and extend the arms out. Bring them down by your sides and make this a moving meditation by bringing the hands back together in prayer pose. Inhaling, lifting the palms high up to the heavens and releasing. Eyes can be open or closed. Do this 2 more times at your own pace. The next time your fingertips touch the ground, bring the hands back into prayer pose in front of the heart. Inhale the palms 1 more time high up to the heavens. And exhale, release one arm down on your side and the other arm up and over into this side bend. Long, deep breathing. Inhale back to center, palms high up to the heavens. Exhale over to the opposite side. Relaxing into the pose with your breath. Eyes can be open or closed. Inhale back to center. And 1 more time, take it to the other side. Allowing the breath to take you deeper into the stretch. Inhale both hands high up to the heavens again and taking it to the opposite side. On the next inhale, hands high up to the heavens again. And this time as you exhale, take one hand on the opposite knee, so left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you, coming into this gentle twist. Inhale back to center, lifting the hands high up to the heavens again. And exhale over towards the left, right hand on top of left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale both hands high up to the heavens. Hands meet in prayer pose and bring the hands down in front of the heart. Change the cross of your legs. Inhale the hands down, around, and up, high up to the heavens. And exhale over towards your right, left hand on top of the right knee, right hand behind you. Let the breath take you deep into the twist. Inhale both hands back up, high to the heavens. Exhale over towards the left. Right hand is on top of the left knee. Left hand is behind you. Inhale back to center with the hands high up to the heavens. And this time, exhale, bow forward. Stretch your hands out in front of you. Allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax. Breathe into the stretch. On the next exhale, walk your hands back, coming to an upright spine. Bring the hands on the knees, palms facing down, into a seated cat-cow. Start to slow it down. Bring the spine to center. Pausing there a moment. And then bow your chin to your heart center and take the head and neck into a rotation. If a rotation does not suit you today, you can also shake the head back and forth from right to left or left to right. Honor your body so that you can enjoy this gentle stretch without harm and without discomfort. And if you're doing the neck rotation, next time you come forward, take it the opposite way. When you're ready, bring the head to center. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, release. Extend the legs out in front of you into staff pose. Root your sit bones into the earth beneath you. Toes are pointed high up to the heavens. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. And exhale, come forward into this seated forward fold. And move mindfully and gracefully. Allow yourself just to fall into the stretch without judgment of what the body formation may look like. Just release into the breath. Release into the stretch. And drop into long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, tuck your chin into your chest, rolling up one vertebrae at a time to a straight spine. Bending the knees and bringing the soles of the feet together into butterfly pose. Inhaling with a straight back. And as you exhale, fold forward from the hips. Allow the breath to carry you into the pose. And tucking the chin into the chest. Allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax.
On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest and roll up one vertebrae at a time.
And then extend your legs out into a straddle pose. And when you're ready with a straight back, take a deep inhale. And exhale, come forward.
Allow the breath to take you deeper into the pose. And at the same time, allow the breath to bring in the calmness so you can set your mood for the rest of the day. And if your mind wanders, bring it back to what it is that you want to feel from your yoga stretch experience and how you want to flow through the rest of your day. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest, coming up one vertebrae at a time.
Bring the legs together and make any micro movements. Shake out the legs or tap, tap, tap the legs, whatever feels intuitively comfortable for you. And when you're ready, bend your knees. We're going to come into a figure four. Take the right ankle and bring it across at the top of your left thigh, underneath your left knee. Enjoy this hip stretch, and you can have the hands close to your sit bones, or you can extend them further away from you. Wiggle into it to figure out where this stretch feels yummy and delicious for you today, and then close down your eyes and go into long, deep breathing. Gently release the pose. Windshield wiper the knees and the hips and the legs. And when you're ready, take it to the opposite side, taking the left ankle over the top of the right thigh. Wiggle into where the stretch feels just right for you, and then close down the eyes and go into long, deep breathing. Release the pose. Shake out the legs. And come into a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands on top of your knees, palms facing down. Close your eyes and shrug your shoulders high up to your ears and then drop them down. And you can do this quickly or slowly. And then inhale, squeeze your shoulders high up to your ears. Long, deep inhale, and then hold the breath. And exhale and sigh it out. turning the head to the left and then to the right, saying no to what does not serve your purpose and your spirit. And you can move the head gently, slowly, or quickly. Listen to your body intuition. And then bring the head to center and move the head up and down, saying yes to what it is you wish to embody and experience through the rest of your day. Yes to opportunity. Yes to happy, joyful experiences. Yes to love, to peace and joy. And then slow it down, bringing the head to center. Bring the hands into prayer pose in front of the heart. Pause here for a moment. Eyes are closed. Relax into your breath to enjoy this short little grounding meditation before you begin the rest of your day. Relax into the breath and just be right here, right now. Flicker the eyes open and we'll bow towards one another. Namaste. Wishing you a day filled of peace, light, love, and joy, and anything else your sweetheart desires.